Hello and welcome back to our brand new vlog. This past week was actually the first week of 2023 and it treated us with sunshine, frosty mornings and amazing sunset. Well, at least for a while. In times like these, when we are gifted with such wonderful weather, it's a great opportunity to get out and do some pruning and general maintenance. We have many old apple trees on our land that require a little bit of TLC, and many of those are located around Chicken Run. Like I said in the previous video, we have a few projects lined up for the upcoming year. And the first one is to extend our current chicken run, making it more suitable for not only chickens but also ducks. We are expecting ducklings to be hatched soon and they need a protected area and a safe duck house to live in. So stay tuned till the end to see whether we have succeeded.
Just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Today I'm going to start working on improving the duck house. This structure we built last year with Zuzana out of pallets and reclaimed wood. It's a little bit too heavy to shift it now, so because we are going to have new ducklings fairly soon, we would like to improve this area a little bit for everybody to live in. So in order to do so, I need to remove all these tiles around and the rocks and dug like quite a deep and wide trench so we can put chicken wire down and then cover it back again with soil so nothing gets in, because last year it was very unfortunate. Something has got in and killed one of the ducks, and the ducks then didn't want to use this house of theirs and they moved in with chickens, which is not ideal really. found 3 eggs, 1 duck egg, and 2 chicken eggs. God knows how old they are, so I'm not going to crack them. I'm just going to throw them away because it can be nasty when it's cracked. This one is quite light. This one not as much, but this one I suppose it's not going to be any good. This one light as well, so I don't want to risk it because the smell is the worst ever.
We go shopping every week for ourselves and also for animals. Winter time can be hard not only on humans, but also on 2- and 4-legged farm residents. They all love corn, and that is a secret to laying hens throughout the winter. Yes, if you feed your chickens whole corn, they will reward you with fresh eggs regardless of the lack of sunlight. Before starting the project, we had to go and buy supplies. We were actually unpleasantly surprised at how much the prices had gone up. But we had to bite the bullet and spend the hard-earned cash anyway. We bought 50 meters of 1.4 meter fencing and 10 1.5 meter posts. Zuzana had previously prepared more posts from cut trees we had lying around, which we then used as posts for new gate and also corner supports for the fence.
Today, me and Zuzana are going to attempt to build a new chicken run. We bought a 1.5 meter fence, 50 meters of it, and a few poles, new poles. We have other poles we can still use, but first we have to think twice how we're going to do it, where we're going to do, because we need to separate the ducks from the chickens as well, so it needs a little bit of thinking first. Today is also a last sunny and dry day of the week. The forecast for tomorrow is 100% rain, quite heavy at times. So hopefully we can manage to put the structure up as soon as we can. Yeah.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time.
instead of cementing posts in, we used rocks and old tiles, which we have plenty of still.
A significant life.
Tak, aby to było k nam.
Just what it was
Prawie. Powinien tam być ten plot.
clean in the blackest night. Cloistered in injustice dead. And in the eyes of time, nobody is losing.
So far we have the new corner there, and these two posts will serve as a base for a gate.
When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. I can wait longer. The sun will rise. I'll be gone.
No jak się wezmę. We have succeeded, I have to say. We've managed to extend the chicken run, and chicken love it. We haven't managed to separate the ducks yet, but we'll carry on with that job when it's dry again, which maybe next week, we'll see. But I think so far so good. We've done a pretty good job.
and both of us are happy how it turned out.